Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. Create an input mask and open it. Right-click on the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, select User Form from the Insert menu. It will be created automatically. Go to the worksheet and activate design mode. Double-click the Mask button. Enter the code into the subroutine sub that opens. You can find the code in the video description. Switch to the worksheet and turn off design mode. This will open the input mask.